and y will always be less extreme. And the key to understanding this simply is this equation. And this is what tells us that the standard scores have a regression coefficient less than or equal to 1. And we said it's not 1. And so because it's not 1, it must be less than that. That means the standard score shrinks. And if the standard score shrinks, that means if it's negative, it moves this way. If it's positive, it moves this way. That means there's more area under here. So this has to be a little more area than this. And therefore, y will always be less extreme. And this is the concept of regression. That is regression to the mean. So if someone is exceptional in one thing, we will always predict that person to be a bit less exceptional in that other thing if there's any error.